What's going on, everybody? It is 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 back with another beautiful AI video for you guys. And today we're going to break down our real estate text bot. So we have multiple different bots built out from life insurance, health insurance, government contracting companies, real estate, wholesaling, investing, a bunch of different industries, roofing, solar. So this video specifically is just going to be on the real estate bot and wholesaling. And pretty much the bot, its main goal obviously is to just qualify and book an appointment on your sales guy's calendar or your calendar for a warm, qualified lead for you to then talk and go deeper into the details, so it's pretty much relieving or replacing a salary job for somebody that you have doing lead management, or a VA's position that's just doing lead management and texting and qualifying, because the voice bots and the text bots, pretty much will do all that for you. It's way better using these, in my opinion, than virtual assistants or in person, just because these bots texting, you got 500 messages coming in, all messages are being answered at the same time, no flaws, follow-up set correctly, everything booked in the calendar. And the overall goal is to obviously book a call in the calendar. And then for the voice bot would be, same thing, book a call in the calendar or live transfer to, the sales guy. So that's pretty much how the workflows work. Then obviously there's a bunch of automations in between. I'm not going to dive deep, obviously, to our build out, show you guys our build out and processes and anything on scripts. On the training, we do, teach that on our one-on-one coaching, program, but I'm just going to go over how it works and kind of what it looks like. So I'm going to text myself and put it into our workflow, and you guys can see kind of how it works. I'll text it back and forth. So I'm going to put it into our AI. So I'm going to add it in there. I'm going to send a text to my phone. As we see, that's sent. So now I'm going to text it back. Just like a normal text, I'll just say, sure, what's your offer? The typical response we'll get. And you'll see the AI bot in action here. It's not going to detect hack right away. Obviously, it's going to look human. So we have those delays in place where it will take half a minute to a minute to respond back to a lead to make it seem real. We want that human interval still. That's what that looks like. So I'm just gonna wait here and let that go out. So I'll show you another test right here. So this was a test that goes out. This is kind of what it looks like. This was a test my partner John. Might be what your offer. AI said, great to hear. To be enact your offer, could you please tell me a little bit about the current condition of the property? Overall, it's in good shape, but we'll probably need a new roof in the next couple of years. Gotcha. Thanks for that info. Any major issues like foundation problems or water or mold issues? Luckily, no. That's good to hear. Are you available for a quick call to discuss further? Not the moment. No worries. When are you available? I'm free tomorrow noon. Perfect. I'll reach out to you tomorrow noon. Talk then. It will then go into an opportunities to wants to speak now, and then create a calendar automation in the calendar to talk, and then go into your calendar. And then we'll shoot obviously a text in the morning just to remind us. Obviously it says undefined because it was a test, and to a buddy. There's no address in this, but that's how it'll look, and it'll be in the calendar. And that's, pretty much the overall goal. The bot will go deeper, and we can change bot settings to obviously ask more questions, but the overall goal is we want to get, if they give us any type of positive response, ask a few questions, qualifying questions, and then try to get them on the phone as fast as possible. So that's how that would work. Is you want to get them on the phone as fast as possible. The bot, its main purpose is try to qualify, schedule an appointment for somebody to get on the phone and talk, and then get that deal done. So that's pretty much the basis and the best way we can enable the belt to flow. And the AI bot, because you don't want to be texting back and forth all the time. Get a couple of qualified questions in there, and then try to get them on the phone, schedule an appointment, and then obviously the bot will continue to follow up if they don't answer to any messages, and follow up with them the next day, just like a normal VA would do. So it's literally just exactly what a VA would do with no flaws. Yeah, it's amazing. We love it. We used to have 8 virtual assistants paying over $8,000 a month in salaries, and we completely wiped everybody except for 2 and a couple closers, specifically because we're leveraging the AIs and using that instead. So that's how that looks. Just give me a few minutes and this will pop up here, the automated response. So as you see, the bot respond back. Great. You can act your offer. Can you tell me a little bit about the property condition of the property? I'll say tenant occupied, good condition. Got any repairs needed now, soon that you know of. Nope, not that I know of. So you see how it's amazing bot. It's quick, it's easy, super simple. It's not too much and it's not too little. The major goal of the bot is to ask qualified good questions, and now are you available quick to set up a call? If they say yes, call me. It will then go to the stage and alert your sales guide. Somebody wants to speak now, and it will go into the opportunity bucket. Once you speak now, and alert me and the contacts that somebody wants to speak now to your personal phone and email notifications. Or if they couldn't speak now and they wanted to set a time, it will set up at a time and push it into the calendar automatically, and then goes to the calendar for your sales guide with the notification that they got a call booked for another day and the time. So that's how the bot is for real estate. It's amazing. It's super clean. We use this now instead of texting VAs, and save us a lot of money. and salary, and it's also way more efficient and flawless. So if you want to learn how you can build this bot out, or if you want to Snapchat our bot, we have all this completely built out for the real estate space: home service, solar, roofing, AC, many different industries. So if you want to, explore building this out for your current business, or you want to learn how to build out these bots for yourself, shoot me a DM on Instagram at @𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭, or comment on this YouTube video or his post, and more than happy to help you guys and show you how it works. I'll be posting a lot more videos on YouTube breaking down exactly how we do this, breaking down the automations a lot more. So feel free to give this video a like, give us a subscribe, and see you on the next video.